Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today's tutorial is going to be on how to pedal a domestic sewing machine. How to pedal a domestic sewing machine. So if you're a beginner, this video is for you. Let's go right into the tutorial. So the first thing you'll do is to remove the thread from the sewing machine and remove your needle from the needle clamp. Alright, so you remove the thread and the needle from the sewing machine and put it in your sewing drum. Alright, so this is the turning wheel. This is the turning wheel. Alright, and this is the pedal. The one I'm stepping on now is the pedal, and this is the turning wheel. The turning wheel controls the pedal. The turning wheel controls the pedal. Okay, so when you want to pedal a domestic sewing machine, you take the turning wheel towards you, not this way. No, it does not go this way, it comes this way. Okay, as you take the turning wheel towards you, the pedal will go down. Will go down. It's either it's going forward or it's going backward. If it goes backward, you take it from there, and if it goes forward, you pedal it from there. Let me show you what I mean. So I'm taking the turning wheel towards myself right now, and I'm pedaling the machine. Alright? Okay? I take it again. I take the turning wheel towards myself and press down the pedal back and front very slowly. If you are a beginner, do it very slowly and make sure you don't put your hand under the needle position. Okay, I take it again. You take the turning wheel towards yourself and you press down the pedal back and front, slowly and slowly. Okay, if you do it for 2-3 minutes, initially it will be difficult for you to do, but if you do it for like 2 to 3 minutes, you will see that you will get it. It is not difficult. It's as simple as A, B, and C. All you need is concentration and determination. Alright? I take it again. Take the turning wheel towards yourself and step on the pedal back and front. Okay? Very slowly, back and front, very slowly, back and front. Alright? So you can do it very fast. Alright? I'm doing it very fast because I can sew very well. Or you take it very slow. Okay? Alright? So let's take it one more time for the last time. Take the turning wheel towards yourself and press down on the pedal back and front. Alright? The turning wheel towards yourself and take down the pedal back and front, forward and backwards, very slowly. Back and front, forward and backwards, very slowly. And when you want to stop, you just stop pedaling, and that is it. So we have come to the end of today's tutorial. That is just a simple way of pedaling a domestic sewing machine. If you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel, like and share my video. Till I see you in my next tutorial. Bye.